Why are you late to class? Nah. What you talking about? The bell just rang. In school suspension. Oh. Bro, for what? Now! Nah, I just got here. Man, this man got me in this sorry ass class. Bro, the fuck is y'all looking at? Excuse me, sir. There's no talking in here. Have a seat. Man, I ain't want to be in this dumbass shit, man. They got me here. Excuse me, sir. There's no phones in here. Give me your phone. Nah, I ain't giving you shit. Oh, give me the cell phone or I'm gonna have to expel you. You know what? All right, bro. I'm gonna put the phone away. Shit, tripping. Excuse me, sir. There's no breathing in here. All right, bro. You tripping. I'm going home. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Nah, Jit just gonna have to expel me. Ain't nobody listening. That's crazy.
Bro, I can barely see. Yo, I'm leaving. Get off of that.
I'm giving these hits out for free.
Bro, on God, can you do that somewhere else?
You as jealous you don't get a free hit.
You was jealous we don't got cover.
Well, it's okay. You can get a free hit. It's fine.
Get that shit out of my face. On God.
No. Where is it?
Oh my God, bro.
Bro is addicted.
What? No. I can quit anytime I want.
Cap. What?
Today.
Fuck out of here, Jit. Let's go crazy slow kid.
Man, I'm about to be mad all. If anybody even look at me wrong, I swear I'm gonna go off. Damn, Jit, why you look so mad? Fix your face. Hey, bro, you see I'm not in the mood right now. Don't talk to me. Well, damn, I was gonna tell you I had an extra free ticket to the Travis Scott concert, but you good, bro? Nah, Jit, tripping. Alright, so can anyone give me the answer to the problem on the top of page 8? How about you, Jamal? Bro, you see my hand isn't raised right now. Why are you calling on me? I'm not in the mood. Oh, dog, are you good? You've been mad all day. Man, I don't even want to talk about it. Man, I don't blame you. I'd be mad too if I was wearing that little ass shirt. And them little ass dreads. Them shit's been the same length for 2 years. Come on, bro. You making me laugh and shit? You know I'm supposed to be mad right now. Nah, you're making me blow my cover. I'm gonna have to try this again tomorrow. That's crazy.
Bro, this food is nasty. This stuff tastes like... I don't know what freaking dirty air conditioner is so. Can I have it? Here, bro. Damn, bro. Do you eat at home? Yes. I'm gonna eat these Doritos. This food tastes hella stupid. What is y'all looking at? Can I get some?
Same for us.
Bro, you ain't getting none. Y'all bag too much. What the? Give me some. No, you better get out my face. Yo, you remember the last time I gave you some gum? You ain't give me shit on BD.
Give me some. I'm your homie, so give me.
Dog, I don't even know you. You're the person that got your ass beat last time. When you tried to give me smoke when I don't have cardboard on. Get that shit out of my face. On God. Let me just take a chip out of the bag. Bro. Stop now. Bro, this is unbelievable. Stop playing with me on BD. Man, I'm out. Okay, class, let's do our projects that didn't get finished.
Oh my god.
Fuck no, baby!
Alright, sure. We'd like to come out here and do this project that they didn't finish.
Me.
Alright, asleep. Come up here on the board.
Okay, today we're gonna talk about a bowl of cereal.
Wait, teacher, can I go to the bathroom? Sure, come get your hot pack. Man, what you looking at?
I'm looking at you because you interrupted my project.
Let's just go to the bathroom. Alright, man.
Anyways, like I was saying.
Shut up, bitch!
That's probably the kid that was talking trash about me. I have to do something about it. Come to the hallways now.
Oh, I got a text from Will. I wonder what it is. Oh, hell yeah. Hey, teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, come get your hot pack.
Hey teacher, can I go too?
Sure, wait till you make it.
Shut up, bitch!
What do you need me for?
I have a confession to make.
That is...
Remember we were texting about that trash talker?
Yeah, why?
Alright. So, let me ask you this. And all I need is a simple answer. So, here's the question. Is this the same goofball that was talking mad shit about me?
Oh, yeah, for sure. That's what we were talking about in the text. Yesterday.
Oh,
What are you doing?
And those are all the types of cereals I produce.
Oh my god! Tired of playing!
Bro thought I was playing. Like what? There goes the cops. Let's go. I need that car now.
Hey, Jit, where my hug at? Ew, boy, you ugly as hell. Oh, man, she know she want me, bro. She just be playing with me. Ew, no, I don't. Nah, we could have been superstars. Hey, jacking cars. Hey, what y'all know about this? Bro, can you go to class? You been in the hallway for 3 hours. Man, why would I come to school to go to class? That's lame. Dog, so why are you here? You know you're not finna graduate, right? Man, ain't nobody trying to graduate. I'm trying to give me some money. Get some money doing what? I'ma make this rapping thing work, for real. Hey, I got a mixtape dropping next week. We finna blow. Hey, let me get your phone though, so I can put it in my SoundCloud. Nah, bro, I'm good. You finna get my phone a virus. Alright, that's straight. But hey, when I blow up, don't tell nobody you knew me, alright? We could have been superstars. Hey. Nah, Jit about to go to summer school. He never gonna walk the stage. That's crazy.
Look, it's Simon! Doug, I'm really not in the mood for this, so if we could— Yo, Simon, why's your forehead so big?
Oh, he does have
You know
a big
what? I'm just gonna
forehead.
walk away.
What?
Yo, Simon, you got no friends, dude. Don't say anything, it's only gonna make it worse. Didn't your dad get fired? Didn't your dad go to prison?
What the? Yo, he went ahead and said
Yo,
that,
man, what did
bro.
you just— Nah, cause he's still there, isn't he?
Bro, his dad's incarcerated, bro. Like,
Rikers, right? Yo, man, why do you gotta take it that far, dude? No, cause you asked for it. Why were you trying to pick on me to begin with? Come on, dude, you know it was a joke. Oh, it's just a joke. Like your GPA, right?
That dude's unintelligent, bro. This dude's unintelligent,
Sorry,
bro.
man.
He's
Excuse me, what's
attacking.
with all the noise out here? Doug was out here trying to bully me. Are you lying to me? No. Why would I? Because he's kind of on the floor crying right now. Man, he's not crying. Detention. What the? Boy, if you don't...